Hey, fourth graders. So today for spelling, we are going to review the vowel patterns that we discussed yesterday and make sure we got all the correct words in the patterns. Notice I left these two words over here just because I think that they are a little more difficult and they don't exactly follow the pattern that you would think. So for CVVC, the words you should have had are chief, grown, fruit, scout, stain, and brief. For CVC, you should have had wrap, when, clog, plot, twig, and quit. Now, quit has two vowels in the middle. So you would think that it would go over here since it has two vowels and a consonant to end. But QU is actually one, when you see QU together, which is normally the two letters that go together, Q is usually followed by a U. It makes the w sound, the W, ku, qu, w. So U is not actually acting as a vowel, it's acting as a consonant. So it would actually be consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. So when you see QU, in your head, remember that U is not acting as a vowel, it's actually acting as a consonant. Kind of tricky, kind of an exception to the rule, but it's just something that you'll have to memorize. CVCC should have had smell, sharp, climb, front, trust, and think, because it's all ending in two consonants. And our final CVCE should have been wine, theme, brave, phone, and scale. And lastly, quote. Notice quote does end in an E, so it would make sense for it to be here. However, it has those two vowels again. But if we remember from quit, the U is not acting as a vowel, it's acting as a consonant. It makes the W sound. So just like quit, that is acting as a consonant. One other thing I wanted to go over is that not only are the vowel patterns the same in these, but the sounds that these words make are kind of similar too. So if we remember, vowels make two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. Now, A, apple, ah is the short. It's very short. You can't really hold it out. E, ed, E is that short sound again. So because you can't really hold it out. I, itch, again, you can't really hold out for very long. U, up, is the short sound. And O, octopus, you can't really hold out that O either. But if the vowel is saying its name, like when E is at the end, wine, I. Notice I can hold out I for a long time. Theme, E, the E is saying its name, and I can really hold it out for a long time and emphasize it. Bray, A, the A is saying its name, and I can really hold it out. Bow, own, the O is saying its name, and I can really hold it out. And then for you, that one's a little trickier. We don't have any examples of those. But over here, fruit, when there's an I next to the U, it's holding that long U sound. So for the assignment today, it's going to ask you if it's saying the long vowel sound or the short vowel sound, or it's going to say sometimes this category says long and short. So you are going to have to drag the correct vowel sound over to the vowel pattern. I kind of gave you a hint on the CVCE. E makes the long vowel.